Yes, SeaWheeze Showcase store on my doorstep. In 2018, I showed up at the Showcase store really late, so I didn't get the shirt in my correct size, but this year, it's a lot different. I got it in my size. As with any race, I'm going to put out my flat lay of all the gear I'm going to be using tomorrow, and this year is special because I have my mask, which I'm going to be wearing, and then there's my new Lululemon SeaWheeze shirt. It's 5:30 a.m. on Sunday, August 16th, 2020. As you can see, it's still dark outside, but that's what we gotta do if we want to beat the heat. You watch me smile and dance. I'm going to be wearing a mask. I'm only going to take it off when I'm hydrating or refueling. I'm not looking to run a spectacular time like I did in 2018 or even last year in the virtual half after I'd gotten off a flight from Croatia. The goal here is just to finish and have a good time. I don't care if people see. Oh, go ahead and judge me. I'm gonna dance all through the night and carry on into the morning light. And I don't care who sees. My time is now, so I'll be free. So I carry on.
Okay, I'm at the halfway point and it's time to refuel. Alright, mask back on. We got 6 miles left of this virtual half. Okay, I'm back on the strand. Time for another energy gel break. Okay, the mask is back on. We're gonna finish this. 1.1 miles left to go. We can do this. Even ran just a little bit past 13.1 just for extra credit and just to make sure that there's no hanky-panky when it comes to counting that run. The whole point is I got out, I was motivated to run in the middle of the pandemic and prove that you can run without a mask without passing out. And now, my favorite yoga pose, Shavasana, or the corpse pose.